Good afternoon, all.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Ma'am.
So we are meeting after a long time, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
How was your exam?
Easy.
Easy.
Ma'am.
Easy. Okay. Do you remember the HTML tags that we have learned in the previous class or previous chapter?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So we are going to learn the continuation of that particular topic. So we are going to start our topic, start a new chapter, chapter 5. Okay, HTML tags. So what do you know about HTML? What is HTML first of all? What is the full form of HTML?
Hypertext markup language.
Hypertext markup language.
Who created that?
Tim Berners-Lee.
Tim Berners-Lee, isn't it? So which are the 4 primary tags that you have learned in the 4th chapter?
HTML tag,
HTML head, title, and
Head,
body.
body. Title and body.
Okay, so we are going to start a 5th chapter. This is the name of our 5th chapter, HTML tags. Please take your lecture note and write down the heading. This is the name of our 5th chapter. So today we are going to start with new chapter, chapter 5, HTML tags. So what is a tag? So what is a tag? What is it that? What is that? What is that? It is a coded HTML command. Here you can see different tags, isn't this? Isn't it? You are familiar with various tags. You have seen HTML. Then after first you have to write HTML tag, then head, then title. You have to mention the title that you want for your document. After that you have to close title, then you have to close head. After that you have to open body tag, then you have to write the content. After that you have to close body tag. At last you have to close HTML tag. So this is the basic syntax. So here you can see the basic HTML commands that we are using in our document, HTML document. So what is a tag? It is a coded HTML command. Is that clear? Any doubt regarding the slide?
Ma'am.
Okay. So moving to the next topic. What is head tag? In the previous class, we have learned about head tag. What is the use of this? It contains title tag, isn't it? These tags open and close the head section. You have seen that inside this tag only, we can see the title tag, isn't it? So these title tags are placed inside head tag, right? Any doubt regarding this point?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So what about the next tag, that is title tag? It shows the title of a web page, isn't it? At the top, we can see the title whenever we view our particular web page, isn't it? So what is the use of title tag? It shows the title of our web page. So who is going to type the program? Those who are using computer lab, please raise your hand. I will guide you. Yeah, who is going to type?
Ma'am, can you see?
Yes, yes. It's okay, Nihal. Yes, Aryan, guide him. First, what we have to write?
HTML.
Yes. Put the angular bracket, my dear. Yes, guide him. Next.
Then the head tag.
Now write head tag.
Under the HTML.
Then, yeah, type. Dave, guide him. Dave, am I audible to you? Dave, am I audible? Samuel, guide him.
Close head.
Yes, after title, after closing this, what we have to write?
Close
Samuel?
head.
Okay, close head.
Body.
Okay, should we close the body or should we open the body?
Open the body.
Okay, we have to open that. Then,
And type something.
hmm,
Close the body. Close HTML.
okay, thank you, Neha. Guide Kiran how to save this particular document.
click file,
Then click save.
Choose the
Yes,
location
stop.
first. First choose the location, choose a desktop. Top you can see. Top.
Write something .html.
Okay. Then should we cancel it or should we save it? Yes, save. Okay. Now take your desktop and run the program. Kiran, minimize the screen. We can't see. You just share the screen once again. See? Yeah, you can see the output. So I would like to call Azra. Can you just tell me the title of this document? What is the title of this document?
Example of HTML.
Okay. Amnita, what is the content?
Example.
Okay. Arav, for writing the content, which tag we have used?
Title.
For writing the content. In the white screen, you can see example. For that, for writing that, we have used which tag? Is it HTML, title, body, or head?
Head.
For writing the content, we use which tag?
No.
Ma'am,
Wait. Arav, for writing the content, we use which tag? Sharanya, which tag? Unmute, which tag? Unmute. Okay. Dennis, which tag?
Body.
Body. Is that clear? Okay. Thank you for sharing the screen, my dear. You can stop sharing the screen. So if you want to write the content, we will use body tag. Is that clear? So this is the basic syntax regarding a HTML document. Then we have discussed about head and title tag. Next is body tag. It holds the page content. It can be text, it can be image, it can be link. Is that clear? And along with that, we can, using this tag, we can set background image or background color of a page. Is that clear? Using this tag, we can set the background image or color for page. Would you like to see that?
Yes.
Actually, it is not in this chapter, but I will show you. It is in the next chapter. Anyway, Kiran, I think you have written the code, right? Share the screen once again. I'll guide you
Yes, ma'am.
what you have to write. Take the code once again and share the screen. So I will show how to change the background color of the page, how to set the background color. So take the code once again, Kiran.
Ma'am, the code I close the window.
No problem. Take it. So in the body tag, come. Yes. After Y, in the opening of the body tag, after Y, put a space. After Y. Inside that, yes, there. Put space. Now type BG color. BG color. COLOR. Equal. Put equal to sign. In double quotes, you just mention green. Put double quote. Yes, write green. Close it. Now save it. Take file. Click save. Or just, yes. Okay, now run the program. Yeah. Open. See? Is that clear for all? Okay,
Yes,
if
ma'am.
I want red, Kiran, how will you change the background to red? Show me. can double click it. Wow, what a color, isn't it? This is how you can change the background. Okay, you can set the background. Thank you for sharing the screen, Kiran. Yeah. So far you have seen how you can set the background colors and it. Now, see, start tag is also known as opening tag. Okay, start tag is also known as opening tag and end tag is also known as closing tag. Is that clear? Okay, start tag is also known as opening tag and end tag is also known as closing tag. And next, we are going to move to the next topic, that is HTML elements. The contents that we type within the start tag and the end tag are called HTML elements. Here you can see one example. Okay, the whatever contents that we type along with the start tag and the end tag are called HTML elements. So here you can see one example for the HTML element. Okay. Next, HTML attributes. Do you have any attribute? You have your own color, isn't it? Isn't it? What are the attributes that you have as a human being? Eyes are different, nose are different, isn't it? Yes? Yes or no? Like that?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
what is the meaning of this attribute? Attribute means additional parameters that tell how to display the HTML element. Okay, here you have seen, we have changed the background, isn't it? So what is attribute? It means that these are the additional parameters that tell how to display HTML elements. So let's see how we can write the attribute. First, we have to mention attribute name followed by equal to sign. Then we have to mention the value. No need to write anything. So the attribute appears as an attribute name followed by equal to sign. Then we have to mention its value. For example, here you can see one example. This is the HTML tag. Font is the HTML tag. And this color is the attribute name. And the value for this color is green. Is that clear? Here, color is the attribute name which has been followed by one equal to sign. Then we can see the value for that particular attribute. Is that clear? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what about the syntax? You all know that HTML element starts with a start tag. Any confusion regarding this point?
No, ma'am.
Okay, next one, and it ends with an end tag, isn't it? And every HTML content is between start tag and the end tag. For example, if I write like this, body, first opening that, then I will write the content, then I have to close the body. After that, I will close the body. So I can say that this content has been written between start tag and the end tag, isn't it? Yes?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now, in the previous chapter, we have learned about empty element, isn't it? What is the specialty of empty element? It doesn't have an end tag. Can you just give me one example? We have just learned this example of empty element. Do you remember an example for the empty element? What is the example of the empty element? Do you remember this? We have written as BR. We have not learned about it, but we have learned the example of this. Isn't it? Do you remember BR?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is one example. This means that it is break. We will learn about this tag in the next chapter. So empty element doesn't have an end tag. And one more thing, each HTML, most of the HTML element is can have attributes. Now we have seen one example, isn't it? So we will be learning about different attributes. So these are the basic syntax regarding HTML elements. Any doubt regarding any of the point? Any doubt regarding any of the point?
No, ma'am.
Shall we move to the next slide?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next tag, the tag which you are not familiar, please note down, that is paragraph tag. Can you just tell me what will be the use of this tag?
To indicate a paragraph.
Yes, it indicates a paragraph, which means that it is used to insert a line break with exact space in the beginning. Okay, let's see one example. Here you can see different paragraphs. How many paragraphs are there in this figure?
4.
1,
4.
2, 3, 4. Here you can see that each para is in next line, isn't it? And it is having a space. So there are different attributes for this paragraph group. So for this paragraph tag, first one is if we write P align equal to center, what will happen? The alignment of the text will be in the center. If we want to write any heading, we will use which alignment? This one. So I would like anyone to do this. Who is going to do? I didn't start
First,
writing.
first itself HTML tag.
Ma'am,
Yeah, next.
Then under that, the head tag. Then title.
Okay.
The title tag. Then write your title.
Mention one name. Then
Then close the title tag. Then under that, close the head tag.
all of you please note down these codes.
Close the head tag.
From where the sound is coming, please mute. Then
Then your body.
Azra,
Yes, ma'am.
note down this code. Now,
Then type F1.
now put the paragraph tag. Open that tag, put P, press enter. First of all, press enter. P, paragraph P. Yeah. P, yes. Close that. Now type a sentence. Close that. Put the angular bracket. Yes. Yes. Type your name. My name is Dia. Type that sentence. My name is Dia. And don't forget that every sentence should begin with a capital letter. So M should be capital. Okay. Yeah. Close this paragraph tag. Close this paragraph tag. Yes, it should be small p. Yeah. Now press enter. Use the same paragraph tag. Yeah, type any other word. Type any word. Okay, then close that tag. Then small letter. Okay. Now close body. Then close HTML tag. Naveen,
yes, ma'am.
guide her to save this. In the file? Yes, Naveen, in the file? Yes.
File desktop.
In the file, you have to choose save. Yes, then you have to choose the location. Choose the location.
Yes.
Okay. Choose desktop. Okay. Then Naveen, what we have to do? We have to type.
HTML
Yes,
document.
we have to. Yes, we have to mention the file name. Mention the file name, Dia. Type file name there. You just type computer or para. Dot. What is the extension, Naveen? Dot.
HTML.
Yes. Others, please note down the code. Then save that. Okay. Now run this program. Go to minimize the screen. Now minimize the screen. Yes, Dia, minimize that screen. I hope you have written. Yes, minimize the screen. Yeah. Share the screen once again. Yes, Dia. What happened, Dia? You're facing any issue?
Ma'am, 1 second, ma'am.
Okay. Others, please be ready with your code. Is that clear? Those who are using computer lab, please type a code. Type 2 sentences. I want to see you. Coding. And others, please note down these codes in your book and I will check your note. Dia, what happened? Is it okay now?
Yes, ma'am.
Share the screen. Yeah. Share the screen. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, it's loading, my dear. Okay. Now, where is the program? Yes, there you can see computer. Yes, right. Double click that. Yeah. It's too slow. Okay, it's loading, I think so, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I think it's hang. Okay, anyway, you just right click that and you just go with open with.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I stop share.
Yeah, you can stop sharing it and share the screen once again. I think it has been hanged. Yeah, share the screen once again. Is there anyone who is ready with his or her code? Yes. Who all are using computer? Please raise your hand.
Ma'am, it has come.
Okay, wait. Let it load. It's too slow. Okay, see, here you can see. What is the name? What is the title here? What is the title of the document? Nihal?
Pencil.
Yes, pencil. Here you can see 2 paras, isn't it? If I want my name is there in the center position, which alignment should I use? Which alignment? Center. Yes.
Enter.
So Dia, stop sharing the screen and take the notepad once again. Now let's see how we can make our first topic, our first line in the center. So Dia, take the notepad and share the screen once again. All of you, please note down this code, okay?
Ma'am, can you see it?
No, it's loading, my dear. Yeah. Now, after body, in the first para, that tag, after P, no, on the starting. Starting para tag. After body, there is one para tag, isn't it? Paragraph tag. Yes, there. Click space. Put a space there. Okay. After that, you just type align. A-L-I-G-N. A-L-I-G-N. Okay. A-L-I-G-N. Put equal to. Yes, in double quotes, you just type center, C-E-N, put double quotes. Yes, type center, C-E-N-T-E-R. T-E-R, okay. Put double quotes again. Okay, now save. Go to the file. Yes, now press save. Okay, now run the program once again. Okay, Nihal, after this, you can also share. Okay. Okay, how to share? Down, you can see one arrow, share screen. There you can press, Nihal. Okay, after this, I will guide you. Yes, Dia, please share the screen once again. Take the program and share the screen. Okay, then you just run this program. Okay, it's correct. Run the program. Yeah, run the code. Yes, Aryan, what happened?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, see? What change did you observe? What happened? Is there any change?
Name is in center.
Yes, it is in center. If I want, hi, my name is so and so, in the right side, what I have to do? Which alignment should I use? If I want this sentence in the right side, which alignment should I choose? I have to choose? Right. So you just, Aryan, just make a change in the alignment, type there right, and show them what is the difference.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Share the screen and show them the change that you are going to do.
Ma'am, sorry, ma'am. Some net.
It's okay, dear. It's okay, no problem. Yeah. Type there right. Okay, save it. Yeah, run the program. See, where is that line? It is on the left side or on the right side? In which side?
On the
Yeah,
right side.
on the right side, you can see the change. Is that clear for all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Aryan, thank you for sharing the screen.
Thank you.
So I hope the topic that we have covered today is clear to you. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay, then which means that the next day you have to be ready with a code, particular code. Next day you will be having a practical exam. Okay? Okay?
Yes,
Those who
ma'am.
are not familiar with HTML code, they have to learn properly. And if you have any doubt, you can contact me personally. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. That's all for today. Bye. Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.